teaspoon. Tasty. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pauline, and today I'm going to show you how I cook my Jamaican curry chicken. These are the spices I will be using and also the vegetables. The list and the measurement will be in the description box. Okay, this is my seasoned curry chicken. It's hot. I'm going to cover it now to send spring some water, and it's on, and then I put in the rest of seasoning into it. I'm going to check on my curry now and put the extra season that I left out. Push it down, side. sauce the way it looks already. There, very pretty. So I'm going to cover it now. Oh my gosh, look at it now. It is bubbling away, spraying so much water. I'm going to put in the mixed pepper. Because it's finished cooking to it. I'm going to cover it back now for 5 minutes, and then I add the vegetables to it. The carrot and the potato and the tomato. I'm going to open back my curry pot now to put in my vegetables. Wow, bubbling away. Curry looking very nice and tasty. Look at it. Looking very good. I'm going to add my carrot and my potato and a little tomato. That's it. I'm going to check on my curry chicken now. Yeah. Looking good. Look tasty. The potato need another 2 minutes to cook, and the carrot just 2 more minutes, and then take off. Yeah, pretty gravy. That's it. I'm going to cover it back, let it simmer down for 2 more minutes, and then I take it off. Okay. I'm going to check on my Jamaican curry chicken now. It should finish cooking. Wow, this looks tasty. All done. Yes, the potato is cooked, all the vegetables is cooked. So you see, I didn't have to add any water to it. Just in the beginning I put a little water just to rinse out the container with what the season was in and pour the season into it. And from that I didn't put any more water. I did spring its own water to cook it. So it's finished now. It looks really amazing, really good and tasty as well.